Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to tell you about the solution of system of linear equations. Here we discuss about three methods for the solution of system of linear equations in two variables. Method 1. The substitution method. Second method, the elimination method. Third method, matrix method. Method number 1, solution of linear equations using the substitution method. Step number 1, first solve one linear equation for y in terms of x. Step number 2, then substitute that expression for y in the other equation to get an equation in x. Step number 3, solve the equation for getting value of x. Step number 4, then put the value of x in other equation for finding the value of y. Note, solve an equation for x in terms of y or solve an equation y in terms of x, that is same. Now we take one example. Solve the system of following equations in two variables. 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. This is equation number 1. Second equation, 7x plus y is equal to 19. This is equation number 2. Now we want to use this method to find its solution. So, solution. Solve the equation 2 for y. This is step number 1. So, just you see here, 7x plus y is equal 19. So, we take y is equal to 19 minus 7x, that is here. Y is equal to 19 minus 7x. This is equation number 3. Now step number 2, substitute 19 minus 7x for y in equation number 1 and solve for x. So equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y. At the place of y, we put here 19 minus 7x. That is equal to 16. Now 3x plus multiply with 2. 38 minus 14x is equal to 16. So we want to add and subtract. 3x minus 14x means minus 11x. 38 minus 16 is equal to minus 22. So this is the equation. Minus 11x is equal to minus 22. We want to solve it. Means we want to find the value of x. So we multiply both sides by 11. We get x is equal to 2. Now substitute x is equal to in equation number 3 and solve for y. So equation number 3 is y is equal to 19 minus 7x. So y is equal to 19 minus 7. This is the value of x. Now y is equal to 19 minus, we multiply 7 multiply 2. So that is minus 14. 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. The solution is x is equal to and y is equal to 5 and written as x, y in order pair is equal to 2, 5. Means the value of x is equal to and y is equal to 5. Now we want to check this solution whether this is right or wrong. So equation number 1, equation number 2. Equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. Equation number 2 is 7x plus y is equal to 19. So we will put x is equal to and y is equal to 5 in both equations. Now see here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. 3x means 2 plus 2y means 5 is equal to 16. We want to simplify this equation. So 3 multiply 2, 6 plus 2 multiply 5, 10 is equal to 16. 6 plus 10 is equal 16 is equal 16. Left hand side is equal right hand side. Equation is satisfied. Now equation number 2. 7x plus y is equal 19. We want to put here x is equal 2 and y is equal 5. So 7, the value of x 2 plus 5 is equal 19. We multiply 7 multiply 2, that is 14 plus 5 is equal 19. 19 is equal 19. Means equation satisfied because left hand side is equal right hand side. Both equations satisfied and the solution is right. Now I want to tell you about the second method. Solution of linear equations using elimination method. Step number 1. Multiply each equation by a suitable number so that the two equations have the same leading coefficient. Step number 2. Subtract the second equation from the first equation. Step number 3. Solve this new equation for y. Step number 4. Substitute value of y into either equation 1 or equation 2 and solve for x. Now we want to take one example. We want to take same example because we want to compare the methods and its answer. Solve the following system of linear equations. 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. This is equation number 1. 7x plus y is equal to 19. Equation number 2. Now solution. Step number 1. Multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 3. Because in equation number 1, the leading coefficient is 3 and equation number 2 is 7. So equation 1 we will multiply with 7 and equation 2 we will multiply by 3. So that is here. 21x plus 14y is equal to 112. 21x plus 3y is equal to 57. Subtract the second equation from the first we get. So subtract means, just see here, subtraction means in this way. So 21, subtract 21, cancelled, 14y minus 3y, 11y is equal to 112 minus 57. Answer is 55. So 11y is equal to 55 means y is equal to 5. Now put the value y is equal to 5 in equation 1 or 2. But we put in 1. That is 21x plus 14 y. Y means the value of y is equal 5 is equal 112. Simplify this equation. 21x plus 70 is equal to 112. So 21x is equal to 112 minus 70. 21x is equal 42 or x is equal 2. This is easy. You can do it. Is it right? So this is the equation. We want to divide it both sides by 21. So just see here. 21x divided by 21 is equal to 42 divided by 21. So 21 cancelled with 21 is equal 42. 21 means x is equal to 2. So 2 times. So the solution said xy is equal to 2, 5 means the value of x is equal to and y is equal to 5. Note, we have got the same answer by using both methods. Now I want to tell you about the definition. First, linear equation. The power of variables in the power of variables in the equations is 1 is called linear equation. Solution. What does it mean? The value of variables are unknown. Satisfy the equation is called solution. What you mean by method? Method means procedure to solve the problem step by step. So these are some problems for practice. So problem number 1, 2x plus 7 is equal to 7. Second equation, 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 7. Second question, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Also its answer is given here. Answer of question number 1 is 1, 5. Question number 2 is 1 minus 2. So you have to find its solution and compare the result with this answer. Next time I shall upload another lecture, means a third method to solve the system of linear equations. Daily I shall upload new topic with its solution. Thank you very much.